In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Android phone is not receiving text messages from anyone. So to fix this, first open the quick settings panel and here look for the airplane mode icon. Simply tap on it. Now wait for a couple of seconds and then tap on it again. So this will basically refresh your phone's network connection and fix any temporary issues with it. Now if this doesn't work, what you can do is simply long press on the messages app icon and then tap this info icon right here. Now here scroll down and then tap on storage. Now tap the clear cache option, tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your data, so this is perfectly safe to try. Now open the messages app and see if you can receive text messages as usual. However, if you are not getting text messages from a specific person, what you can do is open the phone app, tap the three dot icon and then select settings. Now here you need to check for block numbers. Now make sure you haven't accidentally blocked that particular number from which you are not receiving messages. If you have, simply tap the minus icon next to it to remove it or unblock it. However, if this doesn't work either, what you can do is open the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. Now here tap on reset. Now select reset mobile network settings and finally hit reset settings to confirm. Once you have done this, you should be able to receive text messages. However, if nothing else works, you may need to contact your carrier about this. If there is an account specific issue, they should be able to fix it from their end and help you receive text messages again.